We're just out and about, and look where we are for dinner tonight at the downtown Flavortown, which has just opened up this past week in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, up at the Mountain Mile. So we got several of us, Crazy Pop and everybody just come check this out. We'll tell you about the food, show you around in here.
We got what arcade games.
Yep, games, bowling, all that good stuff. So we're ready to go, and we're starving. So we are looking forward to this food. There are some good things about it. So while we do all that, you guys be sure to give us a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe.
Like on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Is that the Cajun, Cajun chicken Alfredo, right?
Yeah.
Tiara down there, you have the
spicy. It's a meatball waffle with a spicy marinara.
All right. And he turned his up over there, but he has the same thing. He had the Cajun chicken Alfredo. Eric, what'd you have? Bacon?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese, yeah. Macaroni and cheese.
Chicken bacon ranch.
Burger. Chicken bacon ranch. Okay.
Got the kids'
Bryson down there has got kids burger. Another
Cajun chicken Alfredo.
And what's that, Sandra?
Shrimp and grits waffles.
All right. I'm digging into some nachos. We just finished eating a delicious meal here at downtown Flavortown, and we are fixing to go bowling. Now this is duck pin bowling. I haven't done duck pin bowling before, but we're gonna check it out and see. We've got that, and after that we have some cards for the arcade. So we're gonna check out some games as well. It is me, Crazy Pop, Eric, and Tiana and her family. They are, to look up her Instagram page. It's Crazy Pop videoing me. I have to look up her Instagram page, and I'll be sure and put the link down below. So I'm gonna take off and go bowl, see who wins. There's Eric. Greg, Tiana and her family, Crazy Pop, Retro Ben, Tyler's getting us set up, and Bryson's trying to get ahead of us.
Got one more try. One more try?
You got those same moves? You got those same moves, Crazy Pop?
Was it?
We got a specialty drink. Now this was on the specialty menu, right?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the guy tie.
The guy time.
Yeah, which is pretty much a Mai Tai. I'm not exactly sure what's all in it, but I know
Yeah.
it's got like pineapple juice and rum.
We'd have to look back at the menu and see exactly what's in it, but that's a pretty good sized drink right there.
Yeah.
How is it? So we just finished with our duck pin bowling. That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of
We had a great time with everybody. Yeah, I don't even know who won actually.
how to score. I mean,
because we just, we were just having a great time, just cutting up.
Yeah.
So now we're headed into the arcade to play some games. We got some
we have game cards.
game cards.
Let's go play.
Tyler, are you mad you didn't win? He's always mad if he doesn't win.
I beat Tyler.
Great time here at downtown Flavortown.
Oh yes, it's been fun. The bowling was cool. The food was good.
Yep.
The arcade was good.
I didn't really get everybody back together to talk about the food, but I think everybody with what they had was very pleased with their food. The bowling was tons of fun. The arcade was fun.
Yep.
We're about spent for the day.
Yep.
We've done a lot of stuff today.
Plus our battery's about to die on the camera.
Yeah, battery's about to die on the camera too. But anyway, we highly suggest coming out to downtown Flavortown. It's up here at the Mountain Mile, out on Teaster Lane. So can't recommend it enough.
We spent a good 6-7 hours there.
Well, let's see. We got here at 6:30, and I don't know, they're about to close. So 11, so 5 anyway.
Yeah.
And we've been busy the whole time, just hanging out, having a good time, eating, great food, great service.
Yep.
So anyway, thanks for joining us, and we're going to get out of the cold.
Yep.
Because our ride just pulled up with the heat on.
Yep.
Eric. And we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.